Hello, these are the materials and I'm using 100% acrylic yarn in this size using 4.0mm crochet hook. Start by doing a magic ring. Chain 2, then 12 double crochet inside the ring. Once done, pull up this loop, then count 3. Insert your hook in this third chain. Slip through the yarn, then make chain of 3. Then double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, repeat a double crochet in the next stitch and chain 1. Now you should have 12 spaces, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 in the last. Slip stitch in the second chain, make a chain and cut the yarn. For the next color, I'm using a light pink yarn. Make a chain of 2. Then 4 double crochet. Two, 3, 4. Then half double crochet in the same space. Half double crochet in the next space. Then 4 double crochet. Three and 4. Then half double crochet. Repeat in each spaces until we will meet at the end of here. And you should have 12 slip stitch in the second chain, and chain of 4, 3, 4, slip stitch on the middle of this chain. Repeat a chain of 4 and slip stitch in the middle stitch. At the end, slip stitch in this first chain. Then chain of 1, 2, then 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then half double crochet, and then in the next space half double crochet, 5 double crochet and half double crochet. Then repeat around till we reach to here. Then make a slip stitch on this first in here, slip stitch, make a chain and cut the yarn.